Okay, so here's this fanny pack. I really love it. I'm gonna show you the strap, how adjustable it is, just like the material, the inside. So first the strap, it's like super thick. It's really nice. I like that it has this little thing here that keeps this from just flopping around. But it's adjustable right here. And then it's also adjustable right here. So I can make it looser here or loose. So it's really awesome. And for somebody who's like mid-size like me, it's perfect. So it's got this pocket in the front. I usually put my phone in here. When it's on me, my phone's a little bit of a tight fit in this front pocket, but not enough to take off a star. And then here's like the main pocket. I keep like my wallet in here, my keys, and this is like one of my favorite parts. There's like this little clip you can attach your keys to. Got a passy in here for a toddler. Got a bouncy ball in here for a toddler. These are the things that end up in a mom's fanny pack. And then there's like an inside zipper pocket, which is where I keep like a pen and hand sanitizer and chapstick and stuff. And then this pocket was a bit of a surprise when I first got it. There's like this little pocket on the back. I keep, what do I keep in here? Oh, sunglasses. And also apparently a checkbook, because everybody needs a checkbook wherever they go. But I really, really love it. The zippers are really nice and easy, as you can see. Like they just glide right along, so I don't have time for sticky zippers. But yeah, I just wear it like this, and it just goes with me everywhere. It's always attached to me. I don't really take it off. But yeah, it's super nice. And like I said, my phone's a little bit tight in this pocket, depending on if I'm wearing it or not, and how much is in the main compartment. But overall, 5 out of 5 stars. Hope this helps.
Die Farbe, das Hellgrau, ist heller wie gedacht. Da sie vakuumiert angekommen ist, sind total viele Falten im Stoff, die mich tierisch stören. Du hast die Verpackung geöffnet, die stinkt total nach Chemie, hat mir total Kopfschmerzen ausgelöst. Die darf erstmal auslüften, bevor man sie überhaupt nutzen kann. Von der Größe her sieht sie ganz okay aus. Nähte sind innenliegend, also das sieht ganz okay. Verarbeitung ist relativ gut. Reißverschluss noch nicht getestet. Der ist sehr hakelig, das stört. Der vordere ist gut. Der hintere funktioniert auch.